Hello, everyone. What's up? All right, hello, Max the dog. Hello, RJ. Hello, ONHL. Yes, WRJ. All right, let's get started. So, first, I just want to show us some new graphics. These will only be used for some stuff, but they will be used for some simple things that I can whip up. Um, so here it is. This is today's SPC outlook. Thank you. With our slight risk, pretty big one. Could have went enhanced, but didn't. Still, I agree. Still looking like enhanced though, especially with hail and stuff. Hello, Kazoo. I know it's crazy. Yeah, I know. I know, crazy, right? Anyways, so here's our slight risk. Kazoo, you're in the marginal risk. Stay safe. Um, and here is our 15% significant hail risk. Hello to whoever just joined. We got 5 people here now. This is our 15% hail risk for today. We are now going to head over to normal radar images here. So let me pull up Attic Radar. Screen share, Attic Radar. Boom. All right. So this is our radar. So let's begin. So we're in the northern areas, which are under tornado watch right now. We have a tornado warning in Minnesota by looking at that in the Duluth coverage area. And as you can see, really heavy rain with this stuff. And yes, I can see that better. Velocity. All right, so it's not really clear to me right now from this radar area. But as you can see, these storms are very strong. A lot of hail is accompanying these storms. Honestly, I agree. It kind of should be enhanced. Let's get to some other stuff. So we'll monitor that tornado warning. That's radar indicated 1.25-inch hail. We have a lot of hail with these storms as well. Let me just get our ticker up right here. Bam. And bam. All right, so we have that tornado warning right there. And then we also have some severe thunderstorm warnings in the south and the north. There's a few more severe thunderstorm warnings down here. So I'll start by covering these. These ones have some considerable tags on them, right? Yeah. Some of these got considerable tags on them. This one here has 1.5-inch hail and 70-mile-an-hour winds. This one down here. This one, you can clearly see where that hail would be. Give me one moment. I'm just getting my mouse to work. There we go. As you can see with this one here at the bottom, you can clearly see where we are talking about hail concerns with these. As you can clearly see by the radar. Why is this thing not wanting to move? For what? I actually hate this mouse. This mouse breaks on me when I really need to use it. Anyways, these storms are heading towards the Tulsa area. So if you know anyone in the Tulsa area, let them know that that's coming. Finally, I can actually get it up here. As you can see, we got some very, very high DBZ values here. 71 for the DBZ value here. As you can see, very heavy rain there. Zoom out a little bit. Try a few different radars here. This radar covers this specific portion of it. This one shows same story. Really heavy rain, 67.5. As far as hail goes with this, we can go to our hybrid hydrometer classification. As you can see, all this red is likely to be hail, which as you can see matches up with radar. Probably a hail core right there. So if you're in that area of the storm, be pretty careful because hail is likely to be accompanied by these storms. If you have anything that you want to bring up, you can always send it on our Discord. If anyone is new here and hasn't joined yet, I can put up the QR code for that. Hello to whoever just joins. The website is down right now, but we will be getting the DWC website back up soon. So hopefully we'll got that working too. Hello, Sprite. What's up? Where are you at? Northwest Arkansas? Oh, I can take a look. All right. So we got our first image from Art, who's helping out with some radar analyzation and such. And let us do that. Kazoo will get to you in a minute. Don't worry. And we will put up this radar image. Bam. So this is some rotation. Sorry about that, guys. There's some rotation. And that is going to be near Kingsdale, Wisconsin. So if you're in that area, be on the lookout. I barely missed the so much. Yeah, gotcha. Yeah. If we look at some of the other storms on the radar here, which I'm pulling up right now, bam. Is that already full screen? Yeah. If you zoom out for the full picture, you can see weather's going on in these lines here. You can also see, where was it? There was somewhere down the south where there was weather that I remember. Yeah, I'll come back to it. Got 2 severe thunderstorm warnings up here, south of Minneapolis. And I'm assuming that this area right here is probably maybe another hail core. You can look at your hydrometer to confirm that. Looks like it might be. Assuming scan differences there. Anyways, what else do we have here for images and stuff? Okay, Kazoo is back. Kazoo, you let me know if you want to say anything. Who is the? Yeah, I know. We've been taking a little bit of break from the live streams, but we'll always come back if there's pretty good risk or something, and I'm not busy. Yeah, it does look a little bit contaminated. I could notice that from a little bit of differ between the hydrometer classification and reflectivity. If we go back to the north where we have that tornado warning still, let's see if we have any updates on that one. I assume it's in like the hard to see from radar right now. Sorry about this, folks. I've been dealing with a head cold, so I'm like coughing every 2 minutes. So I apologize. Anyways, they just extended the severe thunderstorm watch down in Oklahoma. It probably hasn't even shown up yet. I can check on the Storm Prediction Center page. Yeah, this watch right here. Yeah, I see what you mean. Here it is right here. This is the severe thunderstorm watch that is near the Oklahoma, Tulsa area right now with this line of storms. We will go to Canada for a few minutes as well in a moment. But right now we're just kind of dealing with seeing everything first. So that way we know what we're dealing with. Again, slight risk is in effect today. And that accompanies with a 15% significant hail risk, 15% wind risk, and 5% tornado risk, especially off to the north for that 5% tornado risk. What else? Let me go back to radar now. All right. Yeah, if we go back to radar, still tracking that storm heading towards Tulsa. That's kind of what we're working with right now because that seems to pose, I guess, the biggest threat you could say because it's going towards a more populated area, especially with what still appears to be a hail core right here. Scroll down a little bit. Yeah, you can clearly see a lot of hail being mixed in, probably, in these areas. And this is heading towards Tulsa. Oh, yeah, you can literally see it on the radar right now. This is my bad. This is a very visible hail core on radar right now. Oops, I don't even have the radar up. That's my bad. My bad, guys. As you can see now, that's what I'm talking about right here. If you zoom in, you can get a better view of these very high DBZ values, which usually indicate hail. Like there's DBZ values over 70 on this right now, which is pretty much almost the highest thing can go. What else? I'm going to try to whip up another graphic. Kazoo, you let me know if you want to say anything, because I can try to whip up another graphic thing. Give me 1 second, just working that out. If anyone's watching that's not on the team, you can always join the team. We're willing to work with new people here, get this stuff done, and have fun doing it, and also keep people safe. So if you're interested in that, let me know. Message me in the chat right now. I can give you information on how to do that. DWC website is being revamped, and it's coming back soon, hopefully. This will be the link to it. If you just want to save this QR code, that will be how to get to it. Sorry about the breaks. Just taking a few sips of water so I don't cough like crazy during this. Kazoo, you just let me know if you want to talk. I can try to make another graphic if you do. Why not? All right. Kazoo, your mic should be on now. You can go now, Kazoo. I don't know if the mic is going to glitch because it does sometimes when we're doing this stuff. So I'll let Kazoo try to work that out. Anyways, while that happens, all right, we got radar analyzation from RJ. So let me put that up right now. Here we go. Yeah, all right, I'm getting it, RJ. If anyone who doesn't know, RJ is working on analyzation and stuff. And here is his latest radar analyzation. Storms are moving across the central U.S. are expected to lose severity by 2 a.m. Central. We will just keep that up for like a minute. Do we have that tornado warning with us anymore? I don't believe we do. Yeah, we don't anymore. So I'm going to switch the ticker to say the correct thing. Bam. All right. So now it's just severe thunderstorms currently. There is 8 severe thunderstorm warnings in effect. Still closely watching this one, though, as the hail core continues as it moves towards the Tulsa area. Going upwards in the line, you can see you got few areas with some more severe thunderstorm warnings. Also near the Joplin area. And then you got 2 severe thunderstorm warnings up here. Each of these for 1-inch hail and 60-mile-per-hour winds. All right, Kazoo, I'm gonna just turn your mic off at this point. It's not working. Let's see what else. What? Hold up, chat. All right, there we go. Perfect. So in addition to that, you got hold up. You got your weather across the country. I'll just real quick. Northeastern areas are getting a little bit of rain. Massachusetts, if you're anywhere near the Cape and Islands, a lot of rain there. Elsewhere, not that much rain out ahead of this line in the central U.S. and northern U.S. Got a special weather statement right here that I can address. This for 50-mile-an-hour winds. Not necessarily enough to meet the criteria. Hello again, Jay. Let me try to translate that message. Oh, give me a second, Jay. I can try to figure out what that message means so I can better help you. I want to say thank you to our 72 subscribers. Crazy to have this many subscribers, to be honest. Let me just try to translate that message. All right, so they're saying Puerto Rico is going to have heavy rain tomorrow again from stuff that formed this afternoon at 2 p.m. Tomorrow, Friday, it may rain part of it too. Thank you, Jay, for writing all these paragraphs so we can get information. Uh, when there are many thunderstorms, severe thunderstorm warnings can be issued in the Puerto Rico area. That's all there is to say. Yep. Like, good to hear they got that stuff over there too, because very important stuff. A severe thunderstorm warning may be issued when there are a lot of thunderstorms in Puerto Rico. In the center of the island, there was a report of lightning, like 7 reports of lightning where electrical discharges. Interesting. But they can issue a severe thunderstorm watch warning and when there are a lot of electrical discharges, which happened today. Hope you're okay after that. I'm looking at extra 20 damage. If you need anything, I'll post the pictures on Discord. Gotcha. Jay, give me a sec. I got 2 more messages to read from you. A severe thunderstorm warning was issued, and a marine warning was also issued for a strong storm. Interesting. And one more message. Severe thunderstorm warning in Orange Colony in Puerto Rico. When thunderstorms develop, strong storms can form. Yep, it's true. Hold up, chat. I'm just trying to read these messages. Yeah, they can issue severe thunderstorm warnings in Puerto Rico. Yeah, what makes a severe storm and stuff. Yeah, that's always a topic. All right. Anyways, moving on to other stuff. All right, I just got some Twitter stuff or X stuff off. Uh, so I can read some of that stuff off. So I have a few things from X I'm gonna put up right now. Here is one of them. Oops, did not mean to do that. Had these tornado videos from Langbank sent to me from Dude Stain. Pretty big tornado for the off season. Interesting stuff there. Okay, thank you, Kazoo. Another thing I got was damage from the tornado earlier near Cotton, Minnesota. Let me pull that up. Tornado damage in a very rural part of the Cotton area of Duluth. You can see trees down and stuff. Normal kinds of tornado damage you'll see. Um, got new radar analyzation, which I will be posting right now. And then Jay, I'll get to those messages in a second. There we go. There's our new radar analyzation with those tornado damage. If you zoom in, you can really see the severity of some of that damage. Sorry about that. I just absolutely started pouring and I got caught off guard. Anyways, if anyone has any more questions, you let me know. I'm going to answer some questions right now. Yeah, hurricane is looking pretty active in the Atlantic. I don't know how many of you guys have been looking at tropical outlooks, but our 7-day outlook, I'm pulling it up right now. This is our main area of concern near the Gulf area. Let me pull it up right now. This area near the Gulf is what we're worrying about right now, as in terms of weather. We also have Gordon, which is another thing we are monitoring. But no longer an issue. So that's good. We were, is what I should have said. I might be getting mass rail fan here in a second. Sorry guys for all the delay. Just, gotta get through everything. We'll go back to radar now. Thank you, have patience. Here is radar right here. Still monitoring this storm near Tulsa. Hail core looks to be dissolving. Still visible on radar though at this time. This is now a considerable warning. It has this confirmed 70-mile-an-hour winds, confirmed 1.75-inch hail, which is golf ball size. So this storm needs to be taken seriously. Both the wind and hail with the storm are observed. And we're going to watch this area for any signs of rotation as well. But winds are a big issue with this right now. Hail remains a big issue with this right now. So if you're in this area, you got to be ready for these storms to move through, because these are not to be taken lightly. What else? Sorry about that. Anyways, I'm just going to hide the radar analyzation for now to show my graphics again. So we got our slight risk today. It comes with a 15% significant hail risk, 15% wind risk, and 5% tornado risk issued by the Storm Prediction Center today. And it also has that 15% significant hail risk, which is that, for those of you who don't know, if you look at that 15% area, and then you look at that area that's black, and you see like those dashed lines, that's your significant hail risk right there. So that is the area that's especially concerned, or should be especially concerned, for hail today because of that significant hail risk. Significant hail risk is 2 inches or larger in diameter. I just checked. Anyways, sorry about that. So back to radar. That severe thunderstorm warning has been dropped to 1-inch hail and 60-mile-per-hour winds. I'm watching this storm behind it here. Maybe a little bit of rotation in there. Hard to tell, honestly, from the Tulsa radar site. I'd be watching the bottom of this right here. But if you go to velocity, you can kind of see very, very broad. Nothing really major. I swear I did not mean to just do that. My bad, guys. Yeah, that's gonna make the blooper reels. Okay, that was so bad. Anyways. Sorry about that. So we got that storm, and then we have the other storms. A large now special weather statement for 50-mile-an-hour winds. Let's view that now. So this entire line has a special weather statement with it. You go up to the north, and you will meet yourself with still one storm warning, still passing over the, maybe another hail core there. However, this data is 5 minutes old on this thing, and on this it's 12 minutes old. So this data right here is faulty data. We don't want this data from 12 minutes ago. This data is incredibly old. We don't want 13-minute-old data, do we? We also don't want 6-minute-old data, so none of this data is accurate. Be accurate. Well, everything here on radar is 6 minutes or more old. So this is not useful. In fact, I might actually just, for that exact reason, I might actually switch radars even. This is 49 seconds old. This is 8 minutes old. 58 seconds old. All right, I guess I'll work with this. This is 2 areas that have warnings right now. At this point, things have calmed down a little bit since when we started. We're going to continue monitoring this stuff. New severe thunderstorm watch has been issued. I repeat, new severe thunderstorm warning has been issued. We are going to dive right into that right now. That is a new severe thunderstorm watch in effect until 10 p.m. Central. A couple tornadoes possible. Scattered hail up to tennis ball size likely. Scattered gusts up to 70 miles per hour possible. Population 4,800,000. 1,976 schools and 94 hospitals. But anyways, we're kind of wrapping it up for today with this stuff because, can't keep the audience forever, So anyways, sorry about that. That is going to be that. So, thank you everyone for that. That was great. And with that, I will put on our outro. All right, let me just get it up first. So I have our outro right here. And it's also our intro. Anyways, now that we have that already, thank you everyone for coming. We're going to continue to track this in the Discord. Link is up there. If you want to join the website, when it comes out soon again, it's going to be right there. It's about to go boom. So you'll see it in a second. It'll have right there. Those lines really indicate where it is. Anyways, with that will do it for today. And thank you for watching. Stay safe, everyone.